young children.
We can only have one.
Only one cookie.
No.
Where's Malachi, Mom? Dad's back.
He's coming back, Dad.
Good morning. I think this angle looks about all right. I am knitting a hat. This is the last one that I currently have orders for. So I hooked this on my gear shifter so it's a little higher. It's my bag of yarn. Let's see. We had a handful of them made, and so we put those up, and they sold really quick, within 24 hours, or just over 24, 26, something like that. And then I got an order for a custom one, and I got this order. So as of Friday. So Friday I started the custom order, and today, last evening, I finished off the custom hat, and it's custom because it needed to be a bigger man head size. Most of my hats fit. All the hats that I make fit Patrick just fine, and my boys wear them, my daughters wear them, I wear them. But I realized if you have a much larger head, then, you know, if it takes up more room, it's going to shrink up. So I made it a little bit longer and about 10 stitches wider. So I'll mail that off to him today and see if he likes the fit or not. We'll see. I'm glad to be getting this one done. It's my last, like I said, that is already ordered, but it was ordered Friday, and I mean, I guess I could have more orders and not know it because I haven't checked since Friday. So, but if they've ordered since Friday, then I'm okay with them not going out till tomorrow or Wednesday. So we're up here in our pasture, and Malachi is normally my main helper with milking. I come up probably 75% of the time. Malachi's up here 100% of the time. And sometimes Rhyyan will come for me, or Judah. Today it's Wisdom, so that I can try to get this hat done. I don't like making people wait. So it's just a nice quiet morning, and I don't normally come up, but if I'm not going to be milking, but I'm the driver today. So, as you probably saw I'm assuming I posted it yesterday, the concrete video, we're working on that. It's been a couple days in the making. I think today the final bit of concrete will be poured, and, I might sneeze. That, and then Patrick is going to get a bunch of knife work done. So, I just got a double thumbs up because the generator started quickly. Currently, we're using a generator to milk the cows, and that might be a little loud, so maybe I should back up. There's really nothing to run into up here. So there's not a whole lot to really update on, except just what we're currently doing. My goal, since this is probably really early, this should be like December 2nd, I'm posting this. My goal should be, my goal is, I'm not sure. I'm a little hesitant to do it, but I'm trying. And obviously I'm pre-recording videos because it's not December 2nd yet. A video a day for December. And I want to do better videos than I did last time. So we'll see. I don't know. Not sure if I'm actually better at this yet or not, but you know, excuse me. It's really cloudy, but I think it has to be 55. It's pretty warm. Put it back, girlfriend.
Stare at them.
Okay. Good morning. The guys are outside and they're pouring the last little bit of concrete for our footer. And actually this last bit is a little bit of a wall. They're closing in the front of the barn. So you may have seen that video or maybe you haven't. I don't know. But they're finishing that off. I am finishing off the last hat that I have an order for. And it's actually going out to someone who watches our YouTube channel. I'm very excited about that. I am trying to... I started it this morning when Patrick and one of the boys went out to hunt. And I'm really hoping that I can get somewhere on it. It's just... I've had them fall off needles before. I have to be careful. It's just squishy and nice. And they stretch pretty... Not where it's stuck to the needles, but they stretch nice. They're super squishy and warm, and I don't know. We just really like this yarn. But my goal is to have it finished by time for the mail to go out, and it's 10:30 in the morning. I've been working on it off and on probably since 6. So not likely, because I have other things I need to get done today, but it will for sure go out tomorrow. And it's been a lot of fun. I'm enjoying all this knitting. Also, another reason I don't think it's going to get done today is my thumbs are kind of cramping up and getting sore. So I have to stop, and one, I like to walk around at least once an hour if I can, and I mean, if I can, because I can, if I remember. And then just massage my thumbs from cramping up, which sounds so funny. But I actually saw on a Knitter's podcast today that there is a guy that helps you learn how to hold yourself and whatever while you're knitting so that you can not injure yourself, which makes Patrick laugh so hard that you can get hurt knitting, but you can. I tend to stiffen up, and that's not helpful, but I just thought it was kind of funny. So, massage my thumbs so they don't get so cramped up. And that's why I'm glad this year that I have a couple of girls that are helping me do some knitting so that it's not so aggressive on getting it done really quick. But we have 3 more skeins of this beautiful yarn. Can you see it? I just love these. These are some of the biggest skeins I get that I order. They're just so super squishy. And I don't know. Everyone that wants to touch them everyone that sees it wants to touch it because it's just so soft. So I have 3 skeins. So I'm limited on how many hats I can get done with the stash that I have. But I'm hoping that that's enough for... A skein makes me 2 hats. So I have 3 skeins, so 6 hats left. So 6 hats not sold yet. And if I sell half of those, then I'll just place another order for yarn. And yeah, I don't know, just kind of rambling, but I'm enjoying my knit day. It's overcast outside, so there's not a whole lot I want to do outside. I do have jobs to do outside, so I'll just see how much further I can get on this, and then I'll head out and finish.
I'm just going through my flat file drawers and seeing if I have some works in progress deciding what to do with them, if I want to take them further, decide if they're done. Older works that just experiments and studies, like do I want to...
Here, hi.
Do some wheat berries.
Here, boy.
Look, there's still some left in these trees.
Yeah.